Are you worried about someone snooping on your Snapchat account? In this video, I'll show you how to log someone out of your account so they can't access your messages or see your story. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to keep your Snapchat account safe. First of all, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile screen, tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is tap on two-factor authentication and enable it. So go ahead and tap continue and then select a way to receive your verification code. You can either select SMS verification or an authentication app. Once you have enabled two-factor authentication on your account, go back and tap on password. You need to reset your password as well. As a result, all other devices that were logged into your Snapchat account will be deactivated. And if they don't have your new password, they won't be able to log back into your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.